Welcome to our kitchen, where innovation meets elegance. Today, we're excited to dive into the world of smart kitchen technology with the Kohler Malleco Touchless Kitchen Faucet. Let's explore how this remarkable faucet can transform your everyday kitchen experience. The Kohler Malleco is more than just a faucet. It's a statement piece. Its clean lines and modern design effortlessly complement any kitchen aesthetic. The precise engineering ensures a flawless blend of form and function. But the Malleco is not just about looks, it's packed with intelligent features designed to make your life easier. With the touchless technology, you can effortlessly control the water flow with a simple wave of your hand. No more dripping faucets or cross-contamination worries. The Malleco offers multiple water flow modes to suit your needs. From a powerful stream for filling pots to a gentle spray for delicate items, you have complete control. The pull-down sprayer extends your reach, making it easy to fill large pots or clean hard-to-reach areas of your sink. Installing the Kohler Malleco is a breeze. With its user-friendly design, you can have it up and running in no time. Product benefits. Let's talk about the benefits of owning a Kohler Malleco Touchless Kitchen Faucet. Hygiene. Highlight the touchless feature as a hygienic solution. Convenience. Emphasize the ease of use and time-saving aspects. Mention Kohler's reputation for quality and the faucet's long-lasting construction. Water efficiency. Discuss the faucet's water-saving features, if any. Customer testimonials. I love how the Malleco faucet has made my kitchen so much cleaner. No more germs spreading. It's a game changer. I can't believe how much time it saves me. Ready to elevate your kitchen experience? The Kohler Malleco Touchless Kitchen Faucet is the perfect addition to your home. Visit your nearest Kohler dealer or our online store to learn more and purchase yours today. There is no doubt about the convenience and ease of use that the touch and touchless faucet brings. However, proper maintenance of these kinds of faucets is essential to lengthen their usability. It is useful to know some essential tips and tricks to help in troubleshooting your touch and touchless faucets, be it for bathroom and kitchen use or no matter what model your faucet may be. You may refer to this guide for your Kohler Touchless Faucet, Kohler Transitional Touchless Kitchen Faucet, Kohler Touchless Bathroom Faucet, Kohler Touchless Pull-Down Faucet, Kohler Commercial Touchless Faucet, Kohler Touchless Bathroom Sink Faucet, Kohler Touchless Lavatory Faucet, and Kohler Stainless Steel Touchless Faucet, and every other model of touch and touchless faucets in between. Your Kohler Touchless Faucet may not be in its optimum shape and you may be experiencing a few little hitches. If the water flow isn't either not flowing or not stopping, it may be a problem with the membrane or the valve. Consider cleaning or replacing them to see if the problem still persists. You may also need to replace the batteries since this is the primary cause of touchless faucets that stop working. Your batteries may have run out or are the wrong voltage. Either way, it needs to be replaced. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen inspiration.